Let's talk about half steps and whole steps. A half step is when I move from one note to the note right next to it with no notes in between. So going from C to this note here, which we'll learn the name of in our next lesson, is a half step. If I move to the left or descend, C to B is a half step. E to F is a half step. Going from this note here to A is a half step. B to C, half step. A whole step is going from one note to the next with one note in between. So if I go from C to D, I have this note in between. So that would mean C to D is a whole step. Going from F to G, whole step. If I go from this note to that note, it's a whole step because there is a note in between. And same for descending. If I go from A to G, whole step. We know two halves make a whole. So again, A to B, whole step, there is one note in between.